Hey guys, Luke from Innovation. Today we're here to set up for releasing of beneficial insects. Let's do it.
On my farm as an organic grower, it has been really very, very useful being able to go in quickly with the drone with a high number of beneficial insects has really enabled me to produce a cleaner product for the organic market.
With this drone here, we can cover 2 hectares in 6 minutes. So we can cover quite a lot of ground. The battery capacity, this can fly for about 40 minutes. The biggest one we've got, that can carry 30 kilos of liquid and 40 kilos of granular product. You are taking away the biosecurity. You're not driving through or tracking through and spreading diseases, where a drone, it does its thing, it's up in the air, it's releasing the beneficials in its natural form.
We found that using the drone covered the field 100%, whereas before with an individual walking through the field, only a small area of the crop was actually being released into.
The benefits of drones, what helps a lot of growers around here is when it is wet, they can't get tractors on, and this really helps them out. You tell them how much to spray, where to spray, and it'll just do it. You can put in your buffer zones, you can change the angle of which way you want to spray to allow minimal drift, and that will also help runoff to the reef and all that. These things are just magic.